Hey everyone, it's Harvey here from ecocrowd. Today we did a bit of a seed bomb event down at Melros Beach in Dawesville. We had about 40 people come down, a fair few kids, and it was a great turnout, a lot of fun. And I'm just going to walk you through how we made the seed bombs. So what we've got is some bentonite clay, which is going to hold all the seed bombs together. It's got some nutrients in it as well, and some minerals. And then we've got some biochar, which is an activated charcoal. That's going to house all the microorganisms and all the nutrients for the seeds to germinate. And then we've got some compost, some organic compost. So then we've got like a whole mix of seeds from all the coastal dune plants down there. So we'll mix all of them in there, give it a good mix. And then we need a liquid in there, so we're using a worm tea liquid fertilizer. So it's got heaps of microbes already living in there. We want just a little bit in there to get a mix going. So these are the seed bombs that we made today. We made a couple of thousand with them with all the people that joined us. We threw them into the sand dunes, and hopefully in the next couple of months they'll start sprouting and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned, in the next couple of months we'll show you what happened down at the sand dunes. And cheers everyone, have a good one.